Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials. Make sure the iPhone 13 has a current iOS and a carrier plan that permits tethering. First, turn off Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to avoid interference, then toggle airplane mode for about 10 seconds to reset radios. Once done, open Settings and go straight to Personal Hotspot. Enable Allow others to join and check the Wi-Fi password shown. This creates a fresh hotspot state and prevents common conflicts before deeper troubleshooting. Next, configure the hotspot for reliable connections. Set a concise Wi-Fi password and prefer 4 GHz equivalent connections to maximize compatibility. Now, on the client device, forget old networks and attempt a fresh join using the iPhone's hotspot name and password. This removes cached settings that block access. If you're using USB or Bluetooth tethering, verify the cable and pairing. Switch the USB port or cable and repair the Bluetooth device to ensure the link is clean and authenticated. To complete the fix, perform a targeted reset if connections still fail. Go to Settings, right arrow General, right arrow Transfer, or Reset, right arrow Reset Network Settings. This clears problematic APN and Wi-Fi data while preserving content. Make sure to restart both the iPhone and the client device and test again after each action. If problems persist, contact your carrier to verify APN and hotspot provisioning, or reach out to Apple support for deeper diagnostics. That single call often resolves provisioning issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.